Namaskar. Today we will have a discussion on a very different topic. Today's topic is face yoga. Face yoga is an art and science of the facial yoga, an innovative therapy to good health and beauty. Face yoga, originally written by me and presented at the Sanskrit International Conference at Tirupati, Sanskrit Vidyapit in the year 2009. Since it was a Sanskrit paper, I have given a title to it as Sarveshu Angeshu Shirapradhanam. The meaning is that our head is the most important part of our body. Afterwards, I have presented the same paper at the International Conference of the Commonwealth Countries at Sydney, Australia in the year 2010 and conducted 2 workshops there, that is for the pranayam and demonstration of the face yoga. Many TV and radio interviews were presented. Let us see what it means. Face yoga is an entirely new outlook on the ancient time-tested technique of Patanjali Yoga only. It is a revolutionary approach to good health and beautiful looks. The above mentioned Subhashit stresses the importance of the face and head in human body. All the sense organs, that is the Jnanendriyas, are in the human body are present on the face. All the organs of the sight, hearing, taste, touch, speech, breathe are also located on the face only. Important functions, that is kriyas, like eating, chewing, speaking, as well as emotions like smile, cry, laugh, grimace are also focused in this region. Functions like coughing, sneezing, hiccuping, and yawning are the kriyas that discard unwanted toxins and foreign bodies. These are centered on the face only. The words like mukhya and mukhiya originate from the Sanskrit word mukha, which is known as a face. Let us now look at the face from the new angle. There are many little known exercises of the head, face and neck. Gravity and age causes the facial muscles to lose their tone and elasticity. A modern medicine gives us the techniques of the face sculpting via plastic surgery or other invasive and non-invasive means. These are both artificial and very expensive. Indian medicine, that is Ayurveda, and specially yoga exercises prescribes Vyayam, Pranayam, Asanas, Bandha, Kriya, Mudra, and facial gestures. These are the simple and dynamic, inexpensive, result-oriented techniques. I have separated important exercises along with the breathing techniques, massage, pressure, packs, mask, total care related to the face and named it as a face yoga. Face yoga deals with the anatomy of facial muscles, bones, nerves, tissues. The muscles of the neck and face are systematically classified into various sections. Scottish Dr. Bells have found that there are 2 main veins from the skull entering the area behind the ear and have many small branches to it. If they are ruptured or swollen, one gets a facial palsy. These exercises are very effective treatment for those who are suffering from the facial palsy, and more important is to prevent it. I have chosen some effective, time-tested and self-experimented techniques to tone up the muscles. Each exercise needs barely 30 seconds. I shall explain it in detail. The various muscle groups around the head, forehead, ear, eyes, mouth, cheek, chin, jaw, neck, shoulder are usually at least exercised. We generally give importance to the abdominal and hand and leg exercises. Face yoga and netra yoga are effectively exercises these muscles with added benefit of good health and good looks. Face yoga also employs specific sense organs to enhance their use and capability. As human body ages or due to some genetic or accidental handicaps or our some sense organs grow dull and weak over a time. Face yoga is an ideal way to regain the sharpness and acuity of the sense organs. There are special branches like speech therapy, physiotherapy, etc. In fact, there is a separate Upanishad called as a Chakshushopanishad, which gives a remedy for the eyesight problems and diseases. We have concept known as a Divya Drushti also. Today's medical practitioners and beauticians can really benefit through face yoga. A supportive diet, beauty products with the simple homemade ingredients, exercise, pranayam, acupressure, uttering the specific phonetics, detoxifications, vaporing, icing, rubbing, patting, scratching, scrubbing, cuddling, combing, pulling, stretching. These are the actions adjacent of the face yoga which will help us to retain good health eternally and externally, as well as youthful beauty for a long time. India is the pioneer of a yoga in the world. Let us have the youthful and charming face with healthy muscles and tissues, sharp brain, excellent emotional quotient, and pure pronunciation as expected in the Sanskrit, as well as the clear voice and accent. It is acquired by the facial yoga. I have put together a series of the simple and result oriented exercises along with the pranayam which are mentioned above, and these practices gives the complete workout to the head, face, neck, shoulder, and it is a natural makeover. I hope I have aptly named it as a facial yoga. Miss Universe is our original Indian ancient concept known as a Maha Tripura Sundari. As this is originally written in the Sanskrit, let me conclude with the Sanskrit as Samadhanaya Saukhyayo Nirogatvaya Jivane Asya Yogachare Nityam Asya Vyadhi Vinashanam. Dhanyavadaha. Thanks a lot.